everybody. Just eating dinner. I know it looks like I'm eating breakfast, but I'm eating dinner. Or supper, depending on where you're from. Just another boring day at work today. Nothing worthy of filming. So, it's like, wow, it's 1:45. I'm cutting it close on recording this day. This day was almost over. And I know you're thinking, Josh, why are you sitting there with a blanket over your head eating Cheerios? Because I am a Sith Lord. And I can do just as I please. Star Wars joke. But I'm about to watch Star Wars on VHS because I don't have this movie on DVD. I just have it on VHS. So I'm about to watch it and eat cereal. And that's what I'm going to do tonight. And yes, I do have the world's largest remote control. I can fly airplanes with this remote control. I can change your television channel from 2 states away. 2 states. Now that's technology. I'm so excited. I just want to let y'all know, I'm not one of those people that I like Star Wars. Like, I really like it. But I'm not one of those people who, dresses up in costumes and stands outside the movie theater. It's not me. I don't live, eat, and breathe Star Wars. Pretty normal. I just like watching it every now and then. I'll watch it like once a year. But I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. I just like it.